Ah, solve the given pair of linear equations by substitution method. So pair means two. They have given two equations. This is one equation. This is another equation. Okay. And they are telling linear equations. Linear equations means highest power of variable is 1. You see here, x is variable, y is variable. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. So highest power is 1. There is no power is not 2 or 3 like that. The highest power only 1 only. Even here also. Not 1 is there, here 1 is there. When highest power of variables is 1, then it is linear equation. Okay, that's what they are telling, linear equations. Okay. Now the question is, we have to solve these equations. Solving means what? Solving means finding the values of this x and this y. We have to find the values of x and y. Okay. They have also given another point, by substitution method. Okay. See, there are many methods to solve equations. Substitution method, next elimination method is there, next matrix method is there. Okay, but they want substitution method only. Okay, using this method we have to solve these equations. That means we have to find the values of x and y. First, what you do, take this equation. First I will write answer. Okay, take this first equation, 3x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, I will call this as equation 1. Next I will take this, x plus y is equal to 6. So I will call this as equation 2. Okay. Next step is what? Since we are using substitution method, first we have to find value of, not value, expression for one variable, either for x or for y. Okay. See here, x and y are there. Okay. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. Here 1 is there. But here coefficient of x, this 3 is called coefficient of this x, and we have 3 here. 3 and 1 is there, but here see, coefficient of x also 1. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. Here also nothing is there means 1 is there. Okay. See, if here also 1, here also 1, then it will be easy for us to find the expression for one variable. But here 1 is there, here 3 is there, but it is somewhat little bit difficult or lengthy. You can use either this equation or this equation to find expression for any one variable. But here coefficients are 1, 1, here also 1, here also 1. If you take this equation 2, it will be somewhat easy to find the expression for one variable. That means either you have to find the expression for y, or you can take x also. Any one you can take. I will consider for y. I will find expression for this y. That means we want what is y is equal to, using this equation 2, we have to find what is y equal to. Okay. Why I am using equation 2 only? Because it is easy for us. Because here also coefficient is 1, here also coefficient is 1. That's why I am taking this equation 2 only. And I will find expression for y. So I want y. So what I will do, If you want y, you don't want this, so what you have to do, move this x to this side, right side of this equal sign. Okay, before moving next step, write this y as it is equal to this 6 as it is. See here nothing is there, means plus is there. When plus x is moved this side, this plus x becomes minus x. Okay. Now we got y is equal to 6 minus x. I will call this as equation 3. Okay. Now what I will do, see what is the method that telling substitution method. So now I am going to substitute the y value, I mean this expression for y in this equation 1. I have used the equation 2 to find y expression. So you have to substitute this in the equation 1. You should not substitute in the equation 2 again, because we already used this equation 2 to find what is y is equal to. So this we have to substitute in the equation 1. So that is implies, so write this 3x as it is, okay, plus as it is, okay. Now so y is equal to 6 minus x. So in place of y I am going to substitute this 6 minus x. So 6 minus x. Since here plus is there, no need to put any bracket. If it is minus, we have to put bracket, because you may get wrong answer. There will be something like multiplication and all. But here plus sign is there. So if you don't put bracket also, no problem. You can write as it is. Okay. Next is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. Okay. So now see, now y is not there, now only x is there, only x. When there is only one variable x, so we can use the same single equation to find the x. If there are two variables x and y in one equation, you cannot find a number for one variable like x and y, x is equal to what and all. You got it right? Remember, if in a single equation, in one equation there are two variables x and y, it is difficult to find a value for either x or for y. But if there is only one variable in single equation, so you can find a number for this variable x. See, here also x, here also x, there is no y. Okay. So using this one equation we can find a value for x, because there is no y. Okay. Now, so now we want x. Now consider x terms. Your 3x is, here x is there, minus x. So 3x minus x. Subtract x from 3x. So before that, what you do, some people may confuse for subtraction of terms. For those people, what I will take, first you consider numbers 3, first put bracket 3, along with sign you have to consider. So 3, next here nothing is there, means 1 is there. Okay. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, put this x only once. Okay. Now this is done. What is left? Plus 6 is equal to 12. Okay. Next 3 minus 1 is what? 2. This x you write as it is, plus 6, that is equal to 12. Okay. So we want x only. So keep this x term. Whatever remaining is there, no, this is remaining 6. Move this to this side. This side. So before moving, first write this 2x as it is. So is equal to this 12 write as it is. See, when plus 6 is moved this side, this plus 6 becomes minus 6, like this. Next step, write this 2x as it is equal to, so 12 minus 6 is what? 6. Okay. So now we want only x, we don't want 2. So divide both sides by 2. Okay, see 2 cancels. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So what we got? X is equal to 3. I will write it here. Okay. So we got a value for one variable, that is x. We got x is equal to 3. Next we have another variable y. So to find y value, see here, you can use this equation 3 to find y. So I will take this y. See, since you know value of one variable x, to find another variable value, I mean y value, you can substitute the value of x in equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. You will get the same answer. But I am taking only equation 3. Why? Because it is very simple equation. See, this is somewhat complicated. Here equal sign is there, x plus y is there, this side 6 is there. Okay. In one side 2 variables are there. Here also in one side 2 variables are there in one side. But here in one side only one variable y, and we want y only. So if you use this equation 3, it will be easy. So that's why I am taking this equation 3. So what is the next step? We have to substitute this x value. So y is equal to this 6, this minus. So what is x? 3. Okay. Next step 4. So y is equal to 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. So we got the answer. So answer is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So this and this are the answers. So solve the given equations means find the values of x and y. So we found the values. So this is x value, this is y value. Okay. So that's all. So these are the answers. Thank you. Anything if you want to say related to the teaching and the concept, please mention in the comment. I will follow that. Thank you, and click on subscribe.